Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Stake account using the self-exclusion option. First, log into your Stake account, then go to the bottom of the page and click on Responsible Gaming here. Then you can see an option Self-Exclusion. Click on it. Make sure your email is verified. This step won't work if it's not verified. Then click on Request Self-Exclusion. You will then get an email from Stake to confirm the process. Open the email and click on Start Self-Exclusion button. This initiates the deletion request. After this, Stake starts a cooldown period once it ends. Here you will receive a cooldown period. Don't forget, this is irreversible once finalized. And that's it. This is how you delete your Stake account. Thanks for watching.